incremental or iterative models. Okay, here incremental or iterative models means these are suitable for big size applications. If you have any big size applications, you have to go for iterative models. Okay, iterative is nothing but iterative means, you know that, right? Iteration means number of times, means you are not going to complete the project in a single order or in a single build. You are dividing the project into some other modules. After dividing that, you are going to implement the things in a sequential, means in a iterative way. Means if the project is having 100 modules, okay, at this point of time you are going to deliver first 3 modules, after that next 10 modules, next 20, 30, like that. They are going to deliver the thing in a iterative way. Okay, not in a single shot. Means they have to give the output and they have to take some amount, right? If customer is seeing something by his eyes, then only he will release the fund.
Correct. Yeah.
At that point of time, what they will do means they are unable to wait up to the time, right? Because the company should pay the amount or salaries to the resources, and they have to pay some billings. Okay, all the things, maintenance will be there. For that thing, they have to release some amount in an iterative way. Okay, for that they are going to prefer for big size project these iterative models.
Okay.
Okay, means just keep in mind, if it is a small size project, they will go for sequential models. Okay, depends upon the type of requirements, they are going to decide that whether we have to go for brief waterfall model or V model. Okay, if it is a big size project, we have to go for iterative model. Okay, depends upon the complexity, depends upon the budget, they are going to decide about the model related to the iterative things.
Okay.
Okay, we have, I told you already, we have different things in iterative model also. Okay, first we are going to deal with the particular RAD, Rapid Application Development Model. Okay, it's very drastic, means very faster. Means if you want, if the customer is needed, if it is a big size project and he need within 1 month or 2 months. Actually speaking, it will take more than 6 months, but he need within 1 month. You understood, right? I am repeating one more time. Okay, it is a big size project. Okay, if you go in a sequence way, or if you are going, practically it will take 6 months to complete the project with the normal resources, but he need that project within 1 month. Okay, means at that point of time, what they will do, they will go for RAD model, Rapid Application Development Model. Nothing but they will divide that project into sub modules. Okay, after dividing that, they will start work in parallel way, and they will recruit, they will recruit the people more at that point of time. Okay, it will very costly model in SDLC.
Okay.
Means it will take much more budget. Customer is needed in 1 month, means the project, okay, they have to recruit more developers, more testers, right?
Correct, yes.
Means they have, at the point of time, sometimes they have to give much more salaries to the resources also, because they have to recruit the people immediately, right?
Yeah.
Means they have to, sometimes they have to pay much more amount to the particular resources. Okay, and they have to take much more people, means more, they need more people to that project, because they are dividing the modules and they are starting the work in a parallel way.
Correct, yeah.
But it means if it is a big size project, then only they will go for the particular RAD model. Okay, the drawback is, means drawbacks of this particular RAD is it's much more costly. Okay, it will take much more resources, and the thing, if we are going to get any particular in defect, means while they are implementing in a parallel way, if there is any, if there is any defect in the particular development of the particular model, it will get effect on all the modules, right? Means after implementing some application, then only it is possible to implement other applications, right? Because modules are nothing but if you are taking one application, it will depends on some other applications, right? Home page. Okay, if you want to enter into admin module inside, you have to go for home page, right? First,
Correct. Yeah.
you get, it means if you want to get the inbox page of Gmail, you have to use your user ID and password in the home page.
Correct.
Right, if those two things are getting in a parallel way, means is that possible to balance it? It's not possible.
No. No, it's not.
That's why they have to take much more care while dividing the project into modules. Okay, it should not be dependent on other things. Module 2 is not dependent on module 1. They have to decide that, means how the planning should be exact thing. If the planning has failed, automatically the project will be very cost effective.
Yeah.
Okay, there is a particular whatever we call, there is a risk in that particular project taking or go for RAD model. Okay, we have some advantages and disadvantages also for every model. Okay,
Yeah.
according to the customer requirements, according to the completion time of the project, they are going to decide the model. According to that, they are going to recruit the people. Okay,
Correct.
this is the introduction, or this is the information about rapid application development model. Go through the material. If you are going to get any doubts, okay, we will clarify in the next class. Okay,
Okay.
you know that it means the process is same. After completion, after dividing the project into modules, they are going to develop a particular module by using the same phases: requirement, planning, design, coding, testing. After completion of all modules, they will combine all the modules in a single place. After integrating that, they will test one more time. After that, they will deliver the application to the customer.
So after integration of all these three modules, uh, when uh, when when in terms of like a UAT testing, who will do the testing for all these three modules?
Means I told you right, production support team will be there separately for that. Who knows?
You're right.
Who knows the total project? Who knows about the total project? He has capable of doing end-to-end testing, right? Means if as a
Correct.
tester we are going to involve in a single module, we don't know about other modules. Okay, you are perfect in your module, but you don't know about all other modules. But if you go for production team, they have to know about the total project from starting to ending.
Correct. Yeah.
Most probably there may be a situations to involve BA also at that point of time.
Just to
He is
verify.
the perfect
Yeah.
person, right? Because who knows all the requirements related to the project, he is the best person. Maybe subject matter expert also may be going to involve in that particular production supporting team.